We're at the Bullpen during Bio Week 2024, and it's my pleasure to be sitting with Kim Bennett of Sequoia Biotech Consulting. Welcome, Kim.
Thank you, James.
I
Great
want
to be here.
to ask you three questions today, if I can. I'm super excited to do this and get a chance to chat with you a little more. We were chatting before, and I want to dive in and get to know a little bit more about you first, if I can. Tell me about your background and how you got to this point.
Absolutely. Well, it's definitely by the gray hair. It's been a long, wonderful journey. And it started with really having this desire to take care of patients and making sure that they had the best that they could have from a medical perspective. And so I started down that road and working in healthcare. And someone came to me and said, hey, what about the, drug development, manufacturing side? I'm like, I don't even know anything about biotech. That sounds wonderful. And that was it. And that was history from there. So I started working in biotech companies, helping them with large programs, helping them with transformation, just helping them bring their people together and understand exactly what their objectives were so that they could meet them. And so that is what led me here. And I've never left, and I never plan to, because at the end, still helping patients, just in a different way.
Absolutely. That's led you to Sequoia Biotech Consulting. And I wondered if you could tell us a little bit more about Sequoia and what you guys do.
Yes, absolutely. What don't we do when it comes to biotech? The one thing that we do is we help our clients move from where they are today. There's always something that they want to do that's different. And so whether that is our technical operations group and helping them get to build a new plant, whether it's changing out equipment, whether it is putting a new system in place, whether it's developing method validation, whether it's how to transform their organization for AI. It is helping them change and helping them to get to something that they want to. And in most cases, they haven't been able to. So many of our clients have tried to do certain things by themselves, and they haven't been successful, either because of the expertise, maybe capacity. And so they look to us. And so we partner with our clients across all different departments and functions to help them.
So it sounds like you're often able to maybe help them take a step back and see it from a wide variety of perspectives and figure out where the problems they were encountering were as they're trying to move forward. Is that a correct assumption?
It is. And that's a very correct assumption.
And we didn't plan that. I just distilled that down.
Yes. And we start with that, with the assessment. Like, why didn't you, or why isn't it working? And we try to really understand and work with them. So we do a great job of assimilating into their culture, into their systems, to help them be and do what they want to do.
And I have one last question for you, Kim. So as you know, the Bullpen mantra is to find someone, help someone, repeat. What is your ask for the Bullpen membership? How can they help you? How can they help Sequoia Biotech Consulting?
I would love to see just thought partnership. And we were talking about AI earlier, and with the thought partnership on that is, how do you bring people together with some of those early AI technical groups? Where is it headed? What should we be thinking about? I would love to see more AI. I call it like an AI think tank, how to start getting ideas, how to start getting adoption. I think a lot of people don't understand that it's actually something concrete that you can think about. It's just out there, and it's so abstract that they don't know, what does it mean for me? And I think if you start seeing application of this within this AI think tank, I think that would definitely, it would help us, it would help our clients. I think it'd help evolve those conversations.
That's fantastic. And as I recall, your website is sequoiabiotech.com, is that correct?
Sequoiabiotech.com.
Sequoiabiotech.com. And so people can go there, they can find you, or can they also find you on LinkedIn and do a little inbox? Is that okay?
They can. I think they might have to look for Kimberly Bennett.
Oh, there we go. So look for
That's
Kimberly Bennett.
Yes, I probably have a green shirt on, just like now.
Stealth mode.
Yes, my stealth. Exactly. Hidden.
Well, Kim, it's been a pleasure once again. I want to thank Kim Bennett, or Kimberly Bennett, if you're searching for her on LinkedIn, from Sequoia Biotech Consulting, for joining us in the Bullpen today during Bio 2024 week.
Great to be here. Thank you again, James, for having me.